Peak has been a pioneer in China, specializing in the research, manufacturing of car lift products. With over 25 years of experience, Peak is dedicated to delivering world-class lift products to customers worldwide. Recognizing the pivotal role played by high-quality cylinders and power unit in a car lift, Peak has prioritized the research and production that ensuring all Peak lifts are equipped with cylinders and power units at high standards. Presently, Peak's hydraulic factory boasts an impressive array of cutting-edge machinery, including Mazic double-spindle machine, providing a large production capacity to fulfill the demands, equipping more than 50,000 Peak lift units per year. The production of Peak cylinders strictly adheres to ANSI design to guarantee the impeccable cleanliness and concentricity and utilizes high-wall seals from Japan. Peak's power units feature various motors that delivering robust power and energy efficiency. We have CSA and CE motors and have got the EDEL certification.